let's turn to two better stories that are more uplifting. I love it. I just have been feeling the presence of Joanne Laura so much in my life lately, and really wanting to shout to the rooftops about some of the things excited about. And one was when our kids work and when our kids are entrepreneurial. That's a mouthful. And there's an amazing story right now out of Tennessee about this incredible young man, Ashton Gilbert. He's 20 years old. And mom was working with him during the pandemic, trying to figure out how to help him transition to adulthood and to be able to pay his bills and to be able, to lead a productive life as as Joanne would have said, have a seat at the table, right? But in the pandemic, it was really hard for anybody to get a job, let alone, our underemployed adults on the autism spectrum. So he came up with something really amazing. Nancy, do you want to talk about it?
He, with his mom behind the wheel, he drives to people's businesses and homes and picks up their boxes, their empty boxes. And just think of all the people that move and have empty boxes. And he drives them to the recycling center. So he not only solves a problem, he solves two problems.
Yes. And the name of his business is called Unboxed.
Simple.
And I will tell you, for those of us that ordered all of our groceries and all of our everything online, I mean, my husband has one afternoon a week that he has to go out and break down all the boxes and put them in the recycling bin. And some weeks we don't have enough room in the recycling bin. It's a part-time job. And if I had a service here like this, where I could be employing an adult on the autism spectrum, believe me, we would have signed up for it. So I just think, what an amazing thought process to realize. I just was talking to somebody the other day, a landlord who's so mad at her tenants because they have a stack of Amazon boxes that are sitting on their patio. And it's too time intensive. Nobody has been breaking them down on a regular basis. What they need is Ashton Gilbert and his business Unboxed. I absolutely love it. If you're in Tennessee, reach out and hire Ashton to break down your boxes for you. Thanks for watching Autism Live. If you found anything helpful in this video, please give us a like. In fact, make sure that you smash that subscribe button on YouTube and give us a like on Facebook. You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram for important updates. And please download our free podcast wherever you get your podcasts. See you next time. Until then, give your kiddos a hug from me and one for you too. Bye-bye for now. To subscribe, click here. And if you'd like to check out some more of our videos, click here.